Hello everyone, friends. Today we are making something super delicious kadai chicken. Trust me, you're going to love it. So, let's get started. To marinate the chicken, take chicken pieces in a large bowl and add a half cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of cumin paste, 1 tablespoon of green and dry red chili paste, 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of salt, a half tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, a half tablespoon of garam masala, a half tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 1 small cup of mustard oil. Mix everything together, it smells amazing already. Cover the bowl and pop it in the fridge for at least 1 hour, but if you can, leave it overnight. Trust me, the longer it marinates, the yummier it gets. Heat 250 grams of mustard oil in a big wok over medium heat. When it's hot, throw in 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 2 dry red chilies. They'll start crackling, it's so satisfying. Next, add chopped or roughly ground onions and saute them until they turn a lovely golden brown. Now, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Give it all a good stir so those spices can work their magic. Add in some tomato puree. And here's the secret, let it cook until the oil separates from the masala. If it gets too thick, just add 1 cup of water to keep it saucy. And here comes the exciting part, add your marinated chicken. Stir it all together and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Make sure to stir every now and then. Make sure to stir every now and then. Make sure to stir every now and then. You'll see the oil separating again, and the color? Just wow! For that finishing touch, sprinkle some crushed kasuri methi, fenugreek leaves. And add 1 to 2 small cups of water, depending on how much gravy you like. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes, almost there. And that's it, friends. Your kadai chicken is ready to be devoured. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. And serve it up hot with naan, roti, or rice. Let me know in the comments how it turns out for you. And don't forget to hit that like button.